Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Linda Osifo, and I am the founder of the LAO Foundation, which stands for Love and Oneness Foundation. It was launched in 2018. It was just an initiative to give back to the community of Lagos, Nigeria, that I feel each and every individual needs to do. And we have with time developed initiatives like the e-learning initiative, and we're on the 3rd annual, and it's a blessing to be recognized by the little works that you do that the community sees. So thank you very much for this recognition, and please show love to your community. One love.